Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at designs on recovery websites, how to build recovery websites, also how they operate, so that in case it is being used for something else, you know how to spot them, you know what to do. Now, recovery designs, they are not always all for um the wrong things. Some there are real recovery companies that actually help people recover their funds, but I think most of them are backed by the government and some are not actually backed by the government. But today we'll be looking at the designs. I'm not budging ourselves with that part. We'll be looking at the designs. Now, I have two designs on my screen. They both use like the form process. What I mean is you get the front end design of these things, the whole details of trust pilot. For instance, let's look at this one, the whole details of how many funds have been covered, so on and so forth. The trust pilot rating, which is obviously not real. Yeah, so you scroll down and see some partners. You see the fraud lawyers part where the design is explaining the services, so on and so forth. You see a lot of now you see some when you zoom here, you see some of these things, like it's on Trustpilot. See them, see testimonials on Trustpilot, so on and so forth. These ones are just designs. These are just designs. These are just designs. So we'll continue scrolling. Some other links in this. So come here. Frequently asked questions, so on and so forth. Exactly. So this is how this design looks. You want to start your claim, you come here, you fill the form. Now you fill the form of how much was got. Now you fill the form, you start by entering the amount you lost, so on and so forth. Let's say 10,000. Let's say 10,000. Next, where did you get us from? Let's say Google. Your name, just put the random name. Straight. Let's say contact. Let's say contact. Click on next. Click on next. So I was the one else say by crypto transfer. So all of these things, when it is sent, it goes to your email. That's the admin's emails. The whosoever made the design, you connect your email to it, so it goes straight. Now this is the first design. Now this is another design. Let's go to the index. I think we're on the testimonial page. So there are more and more of these designs, but on today's video we are just going to be reviewing these two. So this we call it for payback. You come here, this form is always at the top of all the pages. You see why work with us, about us, your money back guarantee, and so on and so forth. A few videos stating some testimonials here. You see video testimonial at the top, you see under, you also see some meeting testimonials also, so on and so forth. This is also working with the form process too. You click here, fill the form, and send it. It goes through. Let's check with this one. Let's say it's key. Enter details. Let's say demo. Get a free consultation. So you see your consultation request has been submitted successfully. We will contact you shortly. So this that's a lot of pages. All of them, they have a lot of pages. Testimonials, so on and so forth. To get your money back part is also for the form. So on and so forth. As we've seen, come here. We click on testimonials. Takes us to where we can see all the testimonies and so on and so forth. Come here, click on recovery services. So you are seeing forex, crypto, binary, so on and so forth. These are the things that you are trying to these are the services. Credit card phishing, poverty scam, romance scam, and other scams. So they're trying to get you back what you are like a recovery design. Do you understand? So these designs are made strictly for educational purpose. This video is also strictly for educational purpose. Thank you very much. This is a very important disclaimer. So there are different designs, there are different pages here, the about us. I think the other one has more pages than this. Let's go to home. Okay, this one has services, so trading, scam, crypto. So listing the, so see our company. This is about us, testimonials and meet the team, home, contact, knowledge up. I think this is sensitizing people on how to now not to get scammed, so on and so forth. So this is just a design. This is a template. So if you want to get this template, you can send me a DM on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is in the description of this video, not in the comment section. You can send me a direct message on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and so on and so forth to get access to this template. Thank you very much. Do like, share, and subscribe.